Hi, we've got a clean water system instructional video for you today. This is our water heater odor killer eliminator system. Basically easy installation to the cold water inlet of your hot water heater. And you will have your inlet water valve closed, and we will just fill the reservoir with the standard hydrogen peroxide you can buy at the grocery store. So the first thing we'll do is unthread the reservoir here. And we'll add the hydrogen peroxide, filling it a little over 3/4 of the way full. You don't want to overfill it. Go ahead and thread it back up into the housing and make sure you're hand tight. You will then open your inlet water valve to your hot water heater. Go inside the house to the nearest hot water faucet, turn the faucet on, and let it run until you see the hot water coming out foaming. When you see the foaming, stop the hot water, wait approximately 4 hours, and you'll be good to go. Thanks.